there, it's all go, go, go here at Crumbs Doilies HQ because we have been asked to make a really cool cake for Simon's cat. Now if you don't know who Simon's cat is, it is a little animation of a really hilarious, cute little cat. There's loads of videos on the Simon's Cat YouTube page, so go and check that out. So it's their 10th YouTube birthday today, so they've asked us to make a cake for the celebration, so I thought you might like to see how we're going to do it. Let's go! Right, well that's almost everything ready. There's a few bits to assemble when we get there, so for now I'm just going to load the van and we'll get going. So we're here at YouTube space in London's King's Cross for Simon's cat's birthday, and all the arrangements are happening. There's balloons being blown up, there's glitter being thrown around, so we're going to set the cake up. Still got a little bit to do, so watch and see. Cupcakes out and finished off the cake. It looks absolutely brilliant. I'm really excited. Can't wait for the party. So hopefully Simon's going to like it. Maybe the cat gets to see it too.